Hi, it's Big Bird 130 here, or Steve as people like to call me. I did an unboxing video about 3 or 4 days ago of the Baumr-AG SX25 chainsaw. I did say I'd go and give it a run. Well, I'm out here today. It's a beautiful day here in the afternoon, and I've got the saw oiled and fueled up. Haven't started it or anything yet, and I've got a pile of wood I want to cut in half. They're already split. The only unfortunate thing about it is that it's wattle, and it's not all fantastic wattle. It's a bit rotten, and so the saw, you get to see how the saw runs, but the wood is not particularly that hard at all. So we'll see how it goes anyway. So let's start the saw. so that's pretty successful. The chain has loosened up a bit. I think it's a bit hard to tension because I've tensioned it up a couple of times and come back and it's been loose, so I'm not too sure about that. I'll let you know in the future. Seems to be oiling, so that's good. So it runs alright. It's okay for one hand operation. It's quite light. As you saw, this wood's not very good. It's a bit rotten and not that hard. It's pretty soft wood. So I think I had one piece of hardwood in that went through quite fine. But yeah, I need to tighten up the chain now. Anyway, that was just a quick video of the SX25 operating. If you've got any comments, please leave them below. If you'd like to subscribe, that'd be very helpful, and of course hit that like button. That's always very helpful as well. I hope this is of help to people when they're looking at the Baumr-AG SX25. Right, thank you very much. Bye bye.